Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Trello for real estate, so let's get right into it. And while I am not currently buying any real estate, and neither am I a real estate broker or dealer, I will give you a few suggestions, what I think would fit best. So let's get right into it. Now, if you work in real estate and are a real estate agent, what you can do is add a list for all your properties that you're currently, responsible for example, property 1, property 2, property 3, and then, for example, if you're giving tours of the real estate, what you can do is add a card for each visitor, for example, visitor 1, visitor 2, and then you can use this to automate your not automate, but make your organization easier. You can add a date, and for example, you can set a due date. For example, let's set it at the 17th of September, and let's say that the tour is supposed to begin at, let's say 2:30 p.m. And now, as you can see, I have 2:30 p.m. set as the due date, and if I go into here, I'll get a reminder 2 hours before, and you can enter a description of what you think your visitors' thoughts are, how likely they are to buy a house or the property, etc., etc. You can add labels, checklists, whatever you would like, and that is sort of my recommendation for if you are a real estate agent. However, if you are looking to buy a real estate, you can also set up properties like so, or you can set up, for example, I don't know, area 1 or city 1, city 2, and then you can list all the properties of those cities or those areas here as cards, and then add your own thoughts in the cards in the description. You can also set a reminder for yourself when it's when you're supposed to go see them, and make a due date just like I did for this. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.